We are going to go back in time to a period when folks were on average not my height. This is a Ford Model T. Apparently it's available on sale in Canada for 650 Canadian dollars. And also it is kind of cute. Anyway, so today's episode, Does the Chieftain Fit, is coming to you from the Ontario Regiment Museum. We have a nice variety of things of different sizes. And yeah, the Ford Model T, believe it or not, I have never set foot in a Ford Model T before. I guess they just don't come up all that often. Cute little door. And immediately you're about to go in and you're met with what appears to be the handbrake. So, jeez, I feel like I'm going to step on it and it's going to break. Okay, nice polished wooden steering wheel. Okay. The hell? Okay, I have an idea. One moment. The thing's going to tip over. Okay, there we go. All right, so here I am. I'm not actually sure what the pedal arrangement was. So back in the day, clutch, brake, accelerator wasn't necessarily a standard. I think it was Buick came up with that configuration in the 20s at some point. But let's see. It feels like a clutch. Maybe. So interesting, the three pedals, if you want to come around here, if I put my foot on the middle pedal, I go all the way down, I can press all three pedals at once with one foot. But they have it so far forward that if you're careful about it, you actually can just push the one pedal because it's down at the front and the other two are fine. Gear shift is... Wait, hang on. One of these is the timing, I think. Is this the gear shift or the parking brake? Help, I don't know how to drive a Model T. Okay, I need the operator's manual for Model T Ford. I probably should have looked this up before I got in. Well, I guess the bottom line is, once I learn how to drive a Model T, I actually can operate to a certain level all of the controls. I just have to figure out what on earth they all do. Okay, as for getting out, yet again, the Chieftain does fit into a Model T. He just has no clue what he's doing. Bonus feature! We have tracked down somebody that actually knows one end of a Model T from another, and ironically, he's also the youngest man in the building. Anyway, so steering column, accelerator or throttle, and timing on the other side. Important button. Gonna have that. It is indeed a parking brake on the left. If you come further down, your three pedals, yeah, I was right when I said they weren't standard, but they're not. So the left pedal is kind of like a combination between neutral first and second gear, depending on how far forward you're pushing it. The middle pedal, well, that engages reverse. And the pedal on the right, it's a form of braking. It's not really a jake brake or a dynamic brake, but it uses the engine and transmission. It applies the breakage there instead of the more traditional manner on the wheels. Last two features, well, there's a headlight switch, and right at the bottom, because this is an advanced version of the Model T, Well, that is your electric starter. So there you go. Not only have we discovered does the Chieftain fit, but we've also learned a little bit of very early automotive technology. Must be a very soft ride.
Yeah.